What's going on YouTube? Keo here. Gonna do a quick bike check on this Axum DP in the medium. It's beautiful red with metallic paint. You probably can't see in the video, but the main reason for this build is to show that you can upgrade this bike and take everything with you on a different frame. For example, pretty much everything on this bike came off my 2020 Chameleon. Everything except for the dropper seat post, seat, and the headset, but other than that, it's pretty much from that bike. Let's start in front. Got race face chesters, 35 bar and stem, Ergon GE1 grip, NX Eagle shifter, Bontrack Elite dropper seat post lever, Guide RSC brakes, FSA number 57 headset, synchro bolt-on fender, Fox Performance 34 at 140mm travel. It's a Boost 15x110 front, 4-piston calipers with 180mm rotors. These are Face AR40 27.5 with Michelin Wild AMs 27.5 by 2.8 tires. I do have 29ers for this bike, but I was waiting for the other parts to come in before I could mount it and run it, so I figured I'd just throw those on for now. Got a dub bottom bracket with Sram NX Eagle crank, of course the obvious or the usual race face chester pedals, and same wheels as the back. Differences, these DT370 rear hubs is 12x148, but you can get a 10x141 caps. Got the NX Eagle derailleur 12-speed, NX Eagle cassette, GX Eagle chain, the Czech Remedy chainstay protector, the Sram 32-tooth Eagle chainring. It's running tubeless with orange endurance, and that's about it. Everything else is pretty stock. Stock clamp, stock dropper, stock seat. As you can see, it's the medium frame. The frame does feel a little stiff compared to my Chameleon and my Marley, but I mean, what do you really expect for the price range? Oof.